It was because he would not, did not agree with the directives that were coming out of NAPOLCOM. And there's a very clear chain of command, that the civilian authority is the overweening authority when it comes to the police. Because the police is essentially, technically, a civilian organization. And NAPOLCOM is the civilian authority that has the authority to monitor and to it has powers, very specific powers in terms of the appointments, and that's where they disagreed. And we cannot, alam naman natin, uniform service yan, kailangan masundan ang chain of command. So that's why, but we had many discussions about it beforehand. Hindi lang daw talaga niya magawa. So sabi ko, wala tayong magagawa kung ganun ang sitwasyon.